Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can remove your watch history on your YouTube TV. So if you want to remove the watch history, you can simply go to the top right corner and click here. After you click here, you can go to the settings. So in the settings on the left side, you can go to privacy. In privacy, here you can go to manage search history, and if you want to delete watch history, you can go to manage watch history. So you can click on this view icon. From here on, this is going to show you all of your YouTube TV and YouTube's watch history. And if you want to delete the watch history, you can simply click on this delete and then delete today, delete custom range, or delete all time. So this is how you are going to delete your YouTube TV or YouTube watch history or YouTube history. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.